Tired of budgeting apps that feel more like a chore than a solution? Do you want to do more than just see where your money went last month? We all know the basics of budgeting: track your spending, set some limits, and hope for the best. But what if you could move beyond the basics and get a truly detailed, proactive, and powerful look at your finances? That's where Rocket Money's advanced budgeting features come in. While the free version gives you a great start, the premium features are what truly elevate your financial management. We're talking about taking back control and setting yourself up for real success. First up is the power of unlimited budgets. The free version gives you a taste, but with premium, you can create as many budgets as you need. Do you want a separate budget for groceries, dining out, your side hustle expenses, and that dream vacation you're saving for? You got it. This level of detail means you can see exactly where every dollar is going and make informed decisions on the fly. Next, let's talk about transaction management. Ever had a single purchase at a big box store that was half groceries and half home goods? With the premium features, you can split transactions and assign them to different budget categories. No more lumping everything into one big shopping category. You can even add notes to transactions, which is perfect for remembering why you spent money on a specific item or for tracking business expenses. And what about your net worth? It's a crucial number that most people don't track. Rocket Money makes it effortless. By linking all your accounts, from checking and savings to investments and loans, it automatically calculates your net worth and shows you how it's changing over time. This isn't just about day-to-day spending, it's about seeing the big picture and watching your wealth grow. Finally, the Smart Savings feature is a game changer. You can set a financial goal, and Rocket Money will analyze your cash flow and automatically transfer small, manageable amounts into a separate, FDIC-insured savings account. It's saving on autopilot, so you can reach your goals without even thinking about it. These advanced features turn Rocket Money from a simple tracking tool into a comprehensive financial control center. You're not just budgeting, you're building a smarter financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.